So Dave, we also have the Delight Plus and the Delight Pro. And I know that each of these also have those same 5 categories in them. But can you tell me how these are different from the Delight?
Yes, Nancy, I would be happy to. The Delight is a real quick and easy system to use. It has 2 sessions per category, and it's for people who just want to manage their stress some or sleep a little better, get a little energized, feel a little happier, and just get out of bed and go kind of a thing. When we get into the Delight Plus and the Delight Pro, they're essentially the same machine in terms of functionality. We can see, we can't really see these icons here, but the same 5 categories are here, plus a category with a plus sign on it, and that is user defined. Now that means the user could buy our David Session Editor, and they could custom design their own protocols. Clinicians have a tendency to purchase the Delight Plus and the Delight Pro for a couple different reasons. One, yes, they can program their own sessions in for their patients. But the other reason is that instead of having 2 sessions per category as a Delight does, usually clients of physicians and psychologists and so on, they have more significant symptoms. And therefore, each category in this case has 5 different options and gives them more variety to work with. The other difference too, as you can see here, we have a David Delight Plus right here, and we have a David Delight Pro, which is this yellow unit. The David Delight Pro and the David Delight Plus are essentially the same units, except that the David Delight Pro also has Cranio-Electro stimulation added, as we see here with these 2 push buttons. The reason why we have added CES to the audiovisual entrainment is that there are roughly 140 studies on cranio-electro stimulation for reducing depression, anxiety, improving sleep, reducing pain, sharpening cognition, and using it for drug rehab. And so this is also used by a lot of our customers who have concerns that are perhaps more serious, and they want to run both audiovisual and cranio-electro stimulation at the same time. The cranio-electro stimulation is very easy to implement. It is just a matter of putting a few ear clips on the ears and plugging into the side of the unit. And the cranio-electro stim, you can adjust the intensity here with these buttons until you feel a very mild pitter-patter in your ears. And in addition to the audiovisual entrainment, cranio-electro stimulation has been shown to increase neurotransmitters, which are essential for good brain function and relaxation.